Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we have got another confusing box. I don't know why. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I have another Christmas themed Bibbidi Bobbidi box. So it has all the little Christmas stuff on it. So again, and I said this in the last video, we have 3 subscriptions with them. We have the Itty Bitty Bibbidi box, which is the bling box. We have the fantasy box, and we have this one, which is the ultimate magic box. So what I thought we got in December was our December boxes, and we keep getting more. So I'm not entirely sure what's going on. But here we go. We're going to check it out. But we're well into January. We have technically had this box for like about a week, but it still came in January. So I don't know. Maybe they have extra boxes left over from Christmas, but I'm a little confused. We're going to take a dive into here, and that's coming up right now. Alright, let's take a peek. So, it's going to be a surprise for you and me, because I really have no clue what this is going to be. Okay, so our last video, we got a fantasy box, and it was like a second December box, and my birthday's in December. The last box we got said happy birthday like it was for me, but it was all of Mary's preferences, which is not that big a deal, but, you know, it is what it is. So I just would assume that, you know, if it's my birthday month, it would lean more toward my preferences, but, you know, we'll see. So here, so it says Merry Christmas. So we're in January. I don't know. I like Christmas. It's not a bad thing. And that's cute. I'll throw that up on the screen so you can take a closer look at it without my shaky hands. And then we have the no peeking slip. So this is the spoiler sheet. Tells you what's inside the box. And again, it's Christmas themed. Maybe it's like Twice Upon a Christmas with Mickey Mouse, where it just keeps happening. I'd be okay with that. Alright. Let's take a look. We have Winnie the Pooh peeking out, which is definitely Mary's preference. So I think we're going to be going down the same road we did last week. But you never know. I got an open mind. Here we go. And there's cute little glitters in here. Alright. So there's no confetti in here. That's kind of weird. So I'll show you the box. That's the first Bibbidi Bobbidi box I've ever gotten that has no confetti in it. But it's pretty packed, so, you know. So, the first thing we've got is the Pooh. Mr. Pooh. He's really soft and squishy. He's pretty cute. Mary is really going to love him. He's a very cute stuffed animal. Very nice. Alright. We've got a credit card holder. Kingdom of Hearts. So, I'm going to pop this open so I can get the... So it looks like Queen of Hearts themed credit card holder. Although, not really. Hang on a second. So I think this is just basically Mickey themed, which is kind of cool. But it's got a crown on it. So I don't know. But it's Mickey colors. Very cute. Pops open. Throw your credit cards in there. Very nice. And that's from Loungefly, I think. Yep, that's from Loungefly. And it has the place for your driver's license in the back. Alright. Oh, This is definitely my preference. It is a Haunted Mansion Doom Buggy. How cool is that? I've never seen this before, and I'm not quite sure. I think it's just a display item. I will, features iconic ghosts and song from the ride. Well, that's cool. I guess we're gonna have to take a peek and see what it does. Oh yeah! Alright, let me see if I can make this thing do its thing. Oh! Bring your eyes to the dead center of the screen. That's what I'm talking about. I love that. I'm gonna put a little better picture of it up on the screen right here. You can take a peek at that. That is super cool. I love it. Nice. Then we've got a super cool pin. Very cool. So it's a pin that shows a gaming console, and the cartridge that's in the console is Fantasia, and it has a scene from Fantasia. I'll put a better picture up here so you can take a closer look at it. That's an $18 pin, but that is really cool. Oh no! The remote control comes off and it's got a wire so I can play. And magnets on the corner. That is super cool! Alright. Kingdom Consoles Entertainment Center. This entertainment system. Very cool. And finally, the red box. I love me some Jim Shore. Let's see if we love this one in particular. Oh boy. Mary is gonna lose her mind. Pooh is her absolute favorite, and look at how cute they are. Two little bumps on a log. Look at them. I'll put a really good picture of it up here so you can take a peek at it. That is really cool. I love the Jim Shore, like the geometric stuff that he does to make it his own. Very cool. She is gonna lose her mind over this, I promise you. Very cool. So, it being a birthday box, maybe, you know, so it's tough for me to judge because I know, like, when it comes to Magic at Your Door, they do a completely specific box for that person for their birthday. But I'm not the first one that has the preferences on this. Mary is. So, for sure, these are all fitting in her preference, like, perfectly. So I think that's just the way that they do it, and this would be the one item that the second person gets, which is amazing. I own Haunted Mansion music. How cool is that? So, I still don't know why I got the box, but I love the box. I am absolutely thrilled with what's in here, and when Mary gets home and sees this, she's gonna lose her mind. So, I love it. Again, this is the Ultimate Magic Box, which is $119 plus shipping, which is $5 or $6. I'll put the total of everything together right here. Boop. And it's definitely worth it. It fits in line with everything we love, and they are so much fun to open. Give it a shot. Go out and get one. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would like to see last week's video, which was the smaller version of this box, you can click it right here. If you'd like to subscribe, hit the button right here, and I hope you're having a great new year.